Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing very great. So, this channel we bring you about make money online, online marketing, YouTubing, and the ways that you can make money online even at the comfort of your home. So, if that is in your interest, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single day that we drop awesome videos like this. So today we are going to be learning the three apps that we can use to make money online in Nigeria. So this video is specifically for those that are living in Nigeria. Either you are from Nigeria or you are living in Nigeria and you want to make money online. So there are three apps that I will be sharing with you guys. So these three apps are apps that have been seen, and it has been proven that anyone that use this app can genuinely make money online at the comfort of their home. So guys, I'll be taking you step by step how you are going to go about this app, how you can get it, how you can download it, and how you can start using it. And the good news is that most of this app, especially the first one in this app, is free. You don't need to pay anything about this app. You don't need to even do anything about it. All you need to do is just go to your Play Store and download it and start making money for yourself. Guys, if it's what you want, stay with me in this video as I'm going to show you step by step. And guys, don't click out when you hear the number one, because I'm going to keep the best for the last. The last one is the best that you can ever use to make money online, and it is free. So guys, let's get into the video. So the number one or the number three of it is called Sun Power. The number three of it is Sun Power. So this Sun Power is more like an investment platform. So they deal with what? They deal with solar energy and solar materials and thereabouts. So what they do, they allow you to register in their platform. Once you register, then they tell you to buy an equipment online. This is not offline. You buy it online. You can buy the one of 8,000 naira. Then that 8,000 naira they will tell you that per hour you'll be making something like 11 naira per hour. Then you calculate it times 12 hours. Then calculate it with 1 month. Every month you can withdraw your money within the week. You can withdraw your money within the month. But this thing now, it will be accumulating within the week and within the hour also. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. So the name is Sun Power. It's an app, and it's also on a website. It has its own website also. So you can go there, download the app. You see the link below the video. Just check the link below the video. You can click on it and go about this. Know what you can do. Download the app and start using it, guys. So as I said before, the name is Sun Power, and it deals with solar energy. So the truth about this app is just that this is an investment platform. And remember, I'm not telling you that you should go and carry all your money and put there. If you want to invest, you invest what you can be able to risk or something like that. But I've not seen this as a fraud. Listen, I'm not promoting anything. I'm not a financial, so I'm not promoting anything that can bring about fraud or anything. Just try to invest as little as you can, so that you don't have any cause to maybe blame anyone maybe as time goes on. Because this channel, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a legal practitioner, but I just tell you what I think might be of help to you. So guys, the Sun Power is just as I said before, is what? A solar energy company. So what they do, what they just allow you to invest a particular amount of money. They use the money to buy their own solar, then they pay you per hour using their app. So the second one in our list is Owo Daily. Owo Daily. So most of you that have been searching about make money online, you might have seen about this app, or you might have seen this online. So Owo Daily is what? It's just a platform or an online website where you can do what? Go and register as someone that will want to be doing mini job, like following people on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and other things. So what you do there, although Daily, you need to register if you want to become a Daily member with 3,000 naira. So if you register, they will allow you to start participating in the offers that are inside their community. So if you want to register, still use the link below the video. I will drop the link of these three best websites or three apps that I found out now that can help you to make money in Nigeria. So guys, If you want to go with Owo Daily, what they do is just you go there, do taxes like follow people on Instagram, comment, sign up to Google, sign up to email. There are different tax that you can do at the comfort of your home. That's what is based in our daily, and that's what they do. So the last but not the least in our list is today is called Fidu's Pay. This is the best I've ever seen. Although I don't know whether you still see it as the best, but I've used this regularly and I've seen that this is one of the best that I can use to make money online in Nigeria. So the name is what? Fidu's Pay. So if you, in case you are not getting the name correctly, check the link below the video. You see the link and you also download the app through there. So Fides Pay is a telecommunication app. So what they do, what it's a free app. It's not, you don't need to pay for this app. So what they do is what you go there, you can become a reseller, you can sell their products in terms of airtime, data, cheap data, electrical bill, and every other thing. And they also have a referral bonus. This is the two ways they can make money with this app is either you refer people or you make money selling a cheap data at cheap rates. So like now they have a data plan that is 260 naira per gig in a month for a month. So you can sell it at the rate of 300 naira per that 1 gig. And they have the one of 520. You can sell it at the rate of 600. Just imagine the profit margin that you are getting from it. Then if you are going for something like becoming a reseller, you can sell airtime, you can sell other things. Then their referral bonus, what they do is what once you bring someone to their app or someone register through you, then if the person make the first purchase in that app, or the person fund his or her wallet at the first funding that the person do, you get 2% of that funding, 2% of the amount that the person using funding the wallet. And that is making money for yourself, guys. This is now, you don't need to even leave the comfort of your home. You just need to be at your home, pressing your phone, and you are doing this, inviting people online, friends and families, telling them about Fides Pay, and they pay you regularly. And the good news about this people, they can pay you even within 10 minutes of you getting those people to the app. They pay daily. They don't pay weekly or anything. They pay daily. So guys, I hope you have been able to get this three awesome website or apps that you can use to make money online at the comfort of your home. First of all, let me start and recap what I've said. I said the first one is what? Fides Pay. The first one is Fides Pay. You can make money through selling cheap data and you can make money through referring people. Then the second one is Owo Daily. Owo Daily, you can make money through this by doing menial jobs, simple jobs that you can do online. Then the last but not the least in our list is Some Power. You can make money on this by doing what? By investing in the company called Some Power, which is what? An energy saving power, an energy company where they sell solar energy and solar power, and they do what? They help you to invest and make money for you in hours. So guys, any of these that you are comfortable with and you want to go with it, but if you are not comfortable investing your money, you go for the first one, which is Fides Pay, and start with free without any investment at all. Thank you, and I hope you have subscribed to this channel. Till I see you again, know this is Junior loves you. Bye.